Thank you very much, Mr. Speaker. As the charges were read in this House by yourself, Mr. Speaker, the last 2 days, I was extremely eager to get to find out the answers to the question of the exchange of money, 800,000, between the governor and Joseph Musati and Dennis Makoya Musati. Because the substance of this case is that issue. And I've listened to Joseph Musati, a witness presented by the Deputy Governor, ridicule this House by circumnavigating direct questions that could have been simply answered by factual information. I wanted to find out how coincidental is it that on these fateful 2 days, Mr. Joseph Musati sent some money to the Deputy Governor, and some money was sent to Dennis Makoya to send the same money to the Deputy Governor. And then the Deputy Governor, he said, incidentally, by accident, sent 100,000 to the employing agency, Lucy Wahito. And then in the whole process that has taken shape and the evidence that was, presented before this House, I was extremely desperate as the Senate to say letting a deputy governor go should not be an easy thing. I wanted to really find out the defense that should be put across with evidence of the coincidental nature of all these things taking shape. But I didn't find any answers to that question. And for the protection of what has happened, of a father who allegedly was trying to help a child get a job, but turns up to be a witness against the same child, I really want to persuade this Senate to send the Deputy Governor home. In the interest of protecting the youth, I've been a governor for 10 years and never, ever allowed my county public service board to take 10 shillings to employ anybody. Now, for 800,000 shillings to change hands for a small position. And then the answers that were supposed to be given was a ridicule to the House of trying to criminalize the young man whose desperate position has pushed him to the level